Hey, this is Marko, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get airdrop on YesCoin. Well, first, what you need to do is you need to get access to DEP Radar. Then you need to check eligibility requirements. So before proceeding, review the eligibility requirements for the YesCoin airdrop listed on the DEP Radar page to ensure you qualify. Check your Solana wallet. Click on the Connect Wallet button and link your Solana wallet. Then claim your Yes tokens. So, of course, carefully read and complete the steps provided on the page to successfully claim your tokens. And fifth, secure your tokens. So, after claiming, transfer YesCoin tokens to a secure wallet to protect your assets. Now, of course, ensure your tokens are all moved to a wallet within enhanced security features. Now, another way is to get community engagement through airdrops. Now, airdrops often require participants to engage with the project and its community, creating a sense of involvement and loyalty. YesCoin, for example, targets Solana NFT holders, DeFi users, and developers, ensuring that the active community members are rewarded. Now, there are some incentivizing long-term participation. Holder airdrops, such as those used with projects like MetaMask, incentivize users to hold tokens for longer periods, fostering a stable and loyal user base. This approach contrasts with one-time promotional airdrop that may lead to short-term engagement. Of course, boost ecosystem activity. Airdrops can significantly boost activity within an ecosystem. YesCoin airdrops increase transaction volumes on Solana, engaging various community segments and encouraging ongoing participation, building trust and awareness. By distributing tokens to a wide audience, airdrop help build trust and awareness for new projects. They allow users to experience the platform and its benefits firsthand. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.